Welcome to Learning with Anime. In this episode, we'll look into how to pronounce Japanese syllables. What is Romaji? There are three different writing systems in the Japanese language system, these being hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Romaji means Roman letters in Japanese and describes the use of Latin script, also known as Roman script, to write Japanese language, often referred as Romanized Japanese in English. This is to help those who cannot read the Japanese writing systems. To read Romaji and to pronounce Japanese words, there are a few important things you need to know. 1. Vowels are always pronounced in the same way. A is pronounced like A, as in anime. I is pronounced like I, as in initial. U is pronounced like U, as in full. E is pronounced like E, as in elf. And O is pronounced like O, as in pocket. Two, consonants are also always pronounced in the same way. 3. Every consonant is paired with a vowel, but a vowel can be on its own. The only consonant that cannot be on its own is N. 4. Every syllable has equal emphasis. Many English speakers learning Japanese say it helps to imagine yourself talking like a robot. Let's look at some examples. First example is this. Let's break it down into syllables, then we look at the vowels, then combine it with the consonants that's in front. First syllable has the vowel A, which is pronounced A. Combine that with the N in front and becomes na. Second syllable has the vowel U, which is pronounced U. Combine that with the R in front and becomes ru. Last syllable has the vowel O, which is pronounced O. Combine that with the T and that becomes to. Put that all together and becomes naruto. Second example is this. We'll follow the same steps and first we'll break it down to syllables, then we'll look at the vowels and combine that with the consonants that's in front. The first syllable has the vowel A, combine that with the H in front and becomes ha. The second one is also A, combine that with G and becomes ga. The third one is E with N becomes ne. Then we have O with N, which becomes no. Then we have E with R becomes re. Then we have N on its own, which is n. And the next one is I, combine it with K becomes ki. We have an N on its own again, which is n. Then we have U with J, which is ju. And the last two syllables are actually a trio. U with the TS becomes tsu, and I with the SH becomes shi. Now we combine that all together and speak a bit like a robot. Hagane no renkin jutsushi.